You just found the 2014 Toyota Tundra. With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Make the most of every drive when you travel in modern style and comfort. Sculpted lines and a quiet cabin soothe your mind, while the latest safety and infotainment tech keeps you secure, focused, and entertained. All you need to do is relax and enjoy the ride. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, satellite radio, fog lamps, backup camera, Bluetooth connection, stability control, tow hitch, traction control. This vehicle offers the ride you want and the value you need. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.